Hello and season's greetings to all of you. Today I am going to talk to you about a very sensitive issue regarding a new law which is being enforced by the government, which we call mixopathy. This is a law which enables Ayurvedic doctors to operate using modern medicine technology, especially eye surgeries and dental and other surgeries. As we know, we all, modern medicine practitioners, modern medicine doctors, we all respect the Kerala, Indian and the Ayurvedic tradition, and we always are proud that India is the land of Ayurveda. But let us understand, these are two different systems of medicine. Ayurveda treats diseases with the Vata, Pitta, Kapha concept, whereas allopathy is entirely different. So how can a person who is treating a patient with another concept go and operate using the modern medicine concept? It is very detrimental to the society. We all know Sushruta started surgeries, but for the past 2 centuries, no Ayurvedic doctor has ever done any surgery. They are not following surgical systems. Now, you look at the modern medicine. Modern medicine is gone way ahead, and we have done so much of research in it, in newer machineries, newer technologies, adapting computer technologies, etc., and making eye surgeries through the smallest wounds and the fastest recovery systems. As you know, the MBBS student is made to learn this subject for almost 1 year in theory, and they observe various surgeries and treatment for almost 2.5 years. And even then, they are not licensed to do a surgery. They have to select this system called ophthalmology. They have to do a 3-year course in ophthalmology, in which initially they are given steps of the surgery. Then they do surgeries with supervision by their seniors, and only towards the end are they allowed to do independent surgeries. Even after that, to specialize in a particular field like cataract surgery, you do a special fellowship, which is around 2 years, in which you specialize in even further steps of cataract surgery and types of cataract surgery. After this only is this doctor going to practice independently. Now imagine an Ayurvedic doctor coming and doing this. He's never seen a surgery, he's never been trained in surgery. His concept is different. His concept about a cataract is different. So how is he going to operate this? Dear friends, it's a $1 million question. Do we want to give our eyes for an experiment? Please let the experienced people in that particular field do their job. I don't think any sensible Ayurvedic doctor will fall for this prey. They will value their type of treatment and stay away from let the allopath do his treatment, let the homeopath do his treatment, let the Ayurvedic doctor do his treatment. Nobody is going to interfere in each other's, we respect each other's style of treatment. So we request you all to work against and join us in this propaganda against this so-called mixopathy, which is neither allopathy or Ayurveda. And let us save our eyes, the valuable eyes of our society, and let us stand united against this bad rule. Thank you very much.